From seaside, diniretso namin hanggang walking street. Mag-aalas 8 pa lang nung pagdating namin kaya hindi pa ganun karami yung tao. Dito din pwedeng mapanood ang sikat na ping pong show. Pagtapos dito sa walking street, sumakay kami ng jeep nila dito pa uwi. We will try their jeep here in Pattaya. It's like a pickup converted to jeep. We don't know how to pay. Pag may bumaba na lang, doon tayo maghanap. Para malaman natin kung paano magbayad. Maybe we finally found how to say para, no? See this one, that one, the switch. We will try it later. It's dinner time! Dito sa Central Mall Pattaya, meron silang unique way para magbayad at bumili dito sa food court nila. Kaso nalobat na ako kaya hindi na ako nakapag-video. Sawadee ka! It's our second day of trip here in Thailand. We're going to Sanctuary of Truth. 30 minutes from the hotel, nag-taxi kami papunta dito sa Sanctuary of Truth. Sabi ng guide namin, isa itong wooden museum.
We're gonna spend time together about 45 minutes only for the tour. And after the tour,
Wala silang ginamit na pa ako sa pagtayo nitong museo.
originally this is 10 times smaller than the museum. So this is the scale of 1 to 10. Once we can see two different color of the museum. The fresh brown color is the new artwork, and the gray color, which is the effect of the sun, the rain, and the sea, is the old artwork.
Lahat ay inukit at pinagdugtong-dugtong na kahoy.
So here was built to show the concept of human green color. That is the effect of the nature awakening. It represents the beginning of the amazing things that I will show you. The former king of Thailand, His Majesty Bhumibol Adulyadej the Great, or you heard Rama IX, the father of the king right now, Rama. Like for example there, the two men bullied one man. Sydney, I would like to show you down there. The father, mother, and the children.
Para sa mga Instagrammable na kuha, hanapin nyo lang din tong camera sticker na nakadikit sa lapag. Pero para sa amin, ito yung pinakamagandang spot para sa picture taking. Nasa gilid lang to bago umakyat ng entrance. Yun nga lang, kailangan lang may bababa para kuhanan ka ng picture. And then after picture taking, pagbaba meron sila ditong gong. Siyempre sinubukan natin yan for content.
Isa pa.